afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good. So let's have one by one. How about you, Charmaine?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good. How about you, Erica?
I'm fine, thank you.
How are you, Nikki?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good. How are you, Marjorie?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good. How are you, Julius?
I'm fine, thank you.
How are you, Julius?
I'm fine, thank you.
Jason. Okay, very good. Let's have our hands. Okay, guys. If I say hi, then you say hello, okay? Okay. So, hi.
Hello.
If I say hello, then you'll say hi. Hello.
Hi.
Very good. So, do you know the song, Kati Kati Meow?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's stand up and sing the song. 1, 2, 3, go.
Kati, kati, meow. Kati, kati, meow. Kati, kati, meow, meow, meow. Doggy, doggy, ow. Doggy, doggy, ow. Doggy, doggy, ow, ow, ow. Birdie, birdie, tweet. Birdie, birdie, tweet. Birdie, birdie, tweet, tweet, tweet. Ducky, ducky, quack. Ducky, ducky, quack. Ducky, ducky, quack, quack, quack.
Again, let's sing again. 1, 2, 3, go.
Kati, kati, meow. Kati, kati, meow. Kati, kati, meow, meow, meow. Doggy, doggy, ow. Doggy, doggy, ow. Doggy, doggy, ow, ow, ow. Birdie, birdie, tweet. Birdie, birdie, tweet. Birdie, birdie, tweet, tweet, tweet. Ducky, ducky, quack. Ducky, ducky, quack. Ducky, ducky, quack, quack, quack.
Once more.
Kati, kati, meow. Kati, kati, meow. Kati, kati, meow, meow, meow. Doggy, doggy, ow. Doggy, doggy, ow. Doggy, doggy, ow, ow, ow. Birdie, birdie, tweet. Birdie, birdie, tweet. Birdie, birdie, tweet, tweet, tweet. Ducky, ducky, quack. Ducky, ducky, quack. Ducky, ducky, quack, quack, quack.
Very good. Okay, you can sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, so I have here some pictures of animals. So I will write. That is. So if I ask you, what is this? Then you will say, that is a.
horse.
Okay. So okay. So for example, what is this?
That
Okay.
is
Read it all.
a horse.
Okay. Again, what is this?
That is a horse.
Very good. So how about this one?
That is a cow.
And this one?
That is a cat.
How about this one?
That is a fish.
How
That
about this
is
one?
a dog.
Okay, very good. Okay, let's have one by one. How about you? Okay, Erica. So what is this?
That is a horse.
Again.
That is a horse.
Very good. Julius, what is this?
That is a cow.
Very good. Again.
That is a cow.
Okay, very good. Nikki, how about you? What is this?
That is a cat.
Very good. Again.
That is a cat.
Very good. So Charmaine, what is this?
That is a fish.
Very good. Again.
That is a fish.
Very good. So how about you, Jason? So what is this?
That is a dog.
Very good. What's this again?
That is a dog.
Very good. So okay, let's read it again. Okay. So this is a.
Horse. That is
You will say that is a horse. If I say this is if I say what is this, then you will say this is a horse. That is a horse. Okay. So again, what is this?
That is a horse.
Again, what is this?
That is a horse.
How about this one?
That is a cow.
Again, what's this one?
That is a cow.
Very good. How about this one?
That is a fish.
Again, the last one. What is this?
That is a dog.
Very good. So this is again a.
Horse.
Again, this is a.
Cow.
This one.
Cow.
This one.
Fish.
Again.
Dog.
Very good. Okay, let's try this one more. is a,
Horse.
this is a,
Cow.
this is a,
Cat.
this is a,
Fish.
this is a.
Dog.
So, okay. This, what is this again?
That is a horse.
Okay, what is this again?
That is a cow.
So again, this one, what is this?
That is a cat.
Okay, so again, the fish is,
That is a fish.
so the last one is,
That is a dog.
okay, very good. So, okay, let's have a game. Who wants to have a game?
Teacher Lee.
You, how about you? You want a game? Okay, if I say 1, 2, then you will
3, 4.
say 3, 4, okay? Who wants a game?
Teacher.
1, 2,
3, 4.
very good. So, let's try a game by row, okay? So, like this. Let's row 1 and row 2. Okay. So, if I say, say it quickly. If I point this one, then say it quickly, okay? Okay, I will give you some rewards here. I have some candies. And who can make it, say it quickly, then I'll give some candies, okay? So, this would be the row 1. You'll be the row 1. Charmaine and Julius and Nikki. So, the row 2 will be Erica, Marjorie, and Jason. Okay, row 1 and row 2, stand up. Okay, only Charmaine and Nikki. Okay, so if I point some animals here, then say it quickly, okay? Hmm. Huh? Okay, I'm sorry. So this is the row 1 and this is the row 2. Row 1, row 2, row 1, and row 2. Okay, Charmaine and Erica. So, okay, what is this? What is this? Okay, Erica. Okay, row 2 get 1 point and sorry. Sir, okay, you can sit down. And again, Nikki and Marjorie. So, okay, say it quickly, okay? As fast as you can. So, what is this? Okay. So, you are the row 1. Row 1 and row 1 is 0 and row 2 is 1. So, Julius and Jason. So, okay. Again, say it quickly as you could, okay? 1, 2, 3. What is this? Okay, very good. So, you are the row 1. So, okay, 1 and 0. So, the winner is group the row 2. Okay, very good. Let's clap our hands. Okay, then you will have your candy. So, row 2. Okay. Thank you so much. And now, I have here some, supply the missing vowel of the letters, okay? So, yeah, you know what's this one, right? Okay. So, if I will say what's the missing vowel here, you will get some pictures of animals. You will say some pictures of animals here, and you will get some pictures of animals, and you're going to post it here. And we will have to put the missing letter here, okay? So like this. So Julius, what is this?
Cat.
So where's the cat there? Then, so what's the missing letter?
A.
Very good. Okay, let's clap. Our hands for Julius. Okay, next is Jason. So what is this, Jason?
Horse.
Horse. Then where is the horse there? Okay, what's the missing letter? Very good. Again, let's clap our hands for Jason. The third one will be...
Teacher,
Paste it here, and then what is the missing letter?
Fun.
Very good. Let's clap our hands for Erica. Next is Charmaine. So what is it, Charmaine? Fish. Okay, where's the fish there? Ooh. Okay. So what's the missing letter? I. Very good. Let's clap our hands for Charmaine. And the last one it will be Marjorie. So Marjorie, what's this?
Cow.
A cow. So where's the cow? So what's the missing letter? Oh, very good. Very good. Let's clap our hands together. So again, what's this again? Cat. So what's the missing letter here in the cat? Very good. What's the missing letter again? Very good. So how are you going to read this one? Cat. Say the cat says meow, right? Okay. So the second one is. So again, what's this? So what's the missing letter here? E. Very good. So the third one is the. Very good. Again. So what's the missing letter here? Very good. So the fourth one is fish, right? Again, what's this? Okay, fish can swim, right? So what's the missing letter here? Very good. So the fifth one is. Very good. Again. Okay, so what's the missing letter here? Oh, okay, very good. And so again, let's stand up and hope again. Let's sing, okay? You know the song "Kati Kati Meow"? Kati Kati. Yes, I know because we sing it earlier, right? Okay. So again, 1, 2, 3, go.
Kati kati meow, kati kati meow, kati kati meow meow meow. Dobby dobby ow, dobby dobby ow, dobby dobby ow ow ow. Birdie birdie tweet, birdie birdie tweet, birdie birdie tweet tweet tweet. Ducky ducky quack, ducky ducky quack, ducky ducky quack quack quack.
Okay, one more.
Kati